So word came out earlier this week about the animators working on Chainsaw Man episode 4. And it's gonna be pretty crazy because we have ace animators of various series like Black Clover, Jujutsu Kaisen, and also some who have already worked on Chainsaw Man. So here I'll simp out a little about who they are and tell you how to recognize them so you can see it in the episode and you're like, oh wow, I knew this, I'm so smart. Anyways, what we see here is a tweet from some guy who tells us who is the episode director, storyboard director, animators participating. Is this confirmed? Kind of. Right after this post, one of the animators on here actually tweeted out an emoji stating like, see you there, which kind of confirms that it is real, because there will be no motive to be like, oh no, I'm not there, I'm just playing around. So yeah, expect this list to be real. Getting into it, we're gonna start with the episode director, which is Tatsuya Yoshihara, a really talented animator, webgen, and he does some amazing cuts. His signature style is that he does not try to hide his smears. He's like proud of them, shows them off. You can see them in action. They are these spiky smears. You can see it all over, and yeah, I really like it. So yeah, I'll play a couple clips in the background. Here you can see the smears really taking off. He has worked on Black Clover, Jujutsu Kaisen, absolutely phenomenal work, and we can expect to see a couple cuts from him in this episode, and as well as his corrections. Now I'm not sure what his corrections are because I'm not really used to Yoshihara as an episode director, but more as an action director, but we will see. Then up next we have Keiichiro Watanabe, also another really talented animator, worked on Jujutsu Kaisen, One Punch Man, The God of High School, yeah, you name it. His signature style is these bubbly shading and smears, and his overall animation feels like it flows like water. Also, another thing you can see when he's animating explosions or smoke, you can see that the layers of smoke are overlapping in the same style as his smears, which is also another thing to point out. It's really interesting, and his smears look really deformed when paused, but in action you almost don't see them at all, which is really well done, and yeah, that really makes him easily recognizable. Besides that, he also animated some of the most famous sequences from Jujutsu Kaisen, like Yuji and Todo versus Hanami, and Gojo versus Sukuna. Then we also have Toshiyuki Sato, which is also an incredible animator, but I haven't been following him a lot, so I'll just put a couple clips, and I don't really know how to recognize him, although you can see that his style of animation is a bit more rough and liney. And I also found this incredible character acting sequence from him on One Punch Man, so I'll play that too. Then up next we have Takashi Tomeoka, Isuta Meister, Hayato Kurosaki, Chris and Jem. I'll play their clips after each other, but I don't really know them that much, so yeah, you'll just have to see the clips, and that's the staff that's gonna be on episode 4, so be hyped. That was it. I didn't have a lot of time to make the video because Chainsaw Man episode is coming out and I have exams, so like I'm trying to mix it, but I really have to get this video out before the Chainsaw Man episode, so that's why it's pretty low quality, I agree, and I'll try to do better in my future videos.